Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. If x equal to 3 and y equal to 4, then x by y whole to the power x is what? So let's write this x to the power y, x by y to the power x. So with given values of x and y, let's see. X equal to 3 and y equal to 4. This will be equal to 3 by 4 whole to the power 3, which is equal to 3 to the power 3 divided by 4 to the power 3. This is because of the law of exponent, which says a by b whole to the power m equal to a to the power m by b to the power m. So this will be equal to 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64. So this is the answer.